Are you ready to unlock your full potential and achieve your wildest dreams? At Success Nerds, we believe that success is not just about wealth and status. It's about living a fulfilling and happy life in all areas. To help you achieve that, we offer a wide range of content that covers everything from wealth-building strategies and health and fitness tips to DIY projects, philosophy, self-improvement techniques, and tech advancements. We believe that in order to truly succeed, you need to have a holistic approach to life. That's why we don't just focus on one area, but aim to provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to become the best version of yourself in all aspects of life. Our expert advice comes from industry leaders who have years of experience in their respective fields. We understand that every individual is unique and that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to success. That's why we offer actionable tips and strategies that can be tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. Our engaging content is designed to inspire and motivate you to take action towards your goals. We believe that success is not just about knowledge, but also about taking action. That's why we encourage you to join our supportive community of like-minded individuals who are also on the journey to success. By subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell, you will stay up to date with our latest videos that will help you achieve your goals. Thank you for choosing Success Nerds, where success is not just a destination, it's a way of life.